Edison for stepping up and hearing all the noise in the community.
We can't do anything without being together. That's all I can say. Togetherness is everything.
I saw myself. Proper representation is important. I'm just inspired to learn more about how I can potentially partner.
So it's good for Edison to bring people together, to talk about resilience, and then empower one another to know that we all can make a difference.
Let's face it, in this current time where I feel like the country is really as divided as it's ever been, to have an event that's really talking about unity and empowerment and resiliency, it really was the right message at the right time.